How to backup Binance Web3 wallet. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to backup Binance Web3 wallet. After you open the wallet in your Binance, go to this menu at the top left side. So now go to this wallet management. Now tap on this pencil icon. So from this option, now tap on this backup management, this one. After you tap on this backup management, so if you want to backup now your Web3 wallet, now you choose this one. After you tap on this one, so from there it will ask you to link your Gmail account. I'll advise you to link the Gmail account that you use to create your Binance account. So after you finish with this one, so you can tap on this one at the same time. From there, it will ask you to just verify them. After you finish, now you back up your Binance Web3 wallet. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.